Now, without wasting any time, comes to the point. First subject is pathology. Pathology is a very important subject regarding diagnostic purpose. For pathology, there are two categories of books. One is national level books and another one is international level books. First deals with international level books. Most commonly used international pathology book in India is Robbins. Robbins is a good and well standard book for concept building as well as for visualization purpose. Robbins has several advantages. That means the concept that is present in Robbins is very elaborate and very lucid. But only drawback is that the volume is quite high, so we have to spend a lot of time behind Robbins, and there are several techniques using while studying Robbins. That means if we think that first time we study Robbins and during exam time we again revised Robbins, this is a quite tedious work, and this is not usually being successfully completed because the time is not so there during the revision, so that we can complete the Robbins line to line, page to page. This is not possible. So if we actually want to Robbins throughout the year, then we have to follow some way, like while reading Robbins we have to take notes of the important points. Besides, there Robbins has several histological images of each and every topic, which is quite beneficial and very important regarding concept building. It is very important. The only drawback is that volume is quite large, and there is some memorization problem in while reading Robbins, because the question in the book is made in such a manner that basically it has a concept building book, and we have to make our own hand note for exam purpose from this book. Overall, this is a quite well standard book and a very good book. If we can read, obviously our exam is focused, it is main goal for keeping the value of time and also having completion attitude. If we think that we can overcome the Robbins throughout the year, then it is quite good. But if we see that it is not possible to Robbins to complete throughout the year, then other options are also available. So now comes to the national level books. National level books, there are main two important national level books. First one is the Ramdas Nayak Pathology, and second one is the Harsmon Pathology. Both two books are very good. They are well and quite easy to read. Ramdas Nayak I prefer personally. This is a well book. This has several advantages while reading, because Ramdas Nayak is almost a crispy version of Robbins. First one. Second one, Ramdas Nayak's topics which are read in book, or we basically see, we can find inside the book that those topics that is present, they are actually framed in a question answer like manner. So if we read them like question answer manner, then two things is here we can prepare to that. First one, we can prepare themselves with exams. Second one, we can build our concept also. So this is quite helpful. Besides that, histological images are also there, although not so prominent like obviously Robbins, but this is quite helpful. Besides, diagrammatic image is also there, which is quite useful. So Ramdas Nayak is also a good book. Now comes to that fact that Harsmon is also a good book. Harsmon has abundant amount of histological images, quite useful diagrams also, and quite easy to read. But among Harsmon or Ramdas Nayak, I will always prefer Ramdas Nayak, because the pattern that is followed in books is very important for exam purpose, and it is quite easy to read, and it is quite easy to memorize also. So I prefer Ramdas Nayak. Beside that, there is another important book known as Pathoma. Pathoma is also an important book. But what type of book it is? Prathama is basically a crispy book. That means it is the points. It is written like important points are written here to the point. So it is very crispy, and it is basically very useful during the exam preparation purpose. Means last minute revision, like that.